Happy Bees, it's Amanda, and this week we're continuing on with our baby animal theme by creating this baby elephant. Start out with 2 teardrop pieces of fondant or modelling paste, 1 larger piece in grey and 1 in white. Place the white piece on top with the round side up and insert a barbecue skewer for support. Use a sausage piece of modelling paste now, cut in half, and flatten out one side by pushing it against your surface. Use your finger now to create an indentation at the bottom of the leg and cut the top of the leg at an angle with a knife. You're going to use the same technique for the other legs, only this time you're going to pull down the front part slightly with your thumb and again cut at an angle. Using a large oval piece of modelling paste now, pinch the centre with your fingers. Keep working with it until you get a trunk-like shape and create a little mouth just underneath the trunk. I'm using the end of my paintbrush here to create eye sockets, and I'm filling those in with some white and black fondant. Don't forget your little white dots, they really make your characters come to life. And you can go ahead and give him some eyebrows as well. It was this point I realised I didn't like the direction that his eyes were looking, so I changed the position of his pupils. Please tell me it's not just me that does stuff like this. I mean, what difference is it going to make to anybody what direction his eyes are looking? But obviously to me, when I was making this was really important. Anyhow, moving on, you can give him some rosy cheeks by using some edible dust. Create ears for your elephant by rolling out 2 pieces of modelling paste, 1 grey and 1 pink. And you want to try and roll these out as thin as you possibly can and in a rough sort of shape, if that makes sense. Unfortunately, the battery in my camera died at this point, but I stuck the ears on using cocktail sticks as support. Click on that Happy Bee Cakes bubble to see more tutorials like this one. But until next week, I'm Amanda and this is Happy Bee Cakes.